Number 10 says find all cube roots. So right there, we already know that k equals 0, 1, and 2. All cube roots of 27. Then it says write the roots in rectangular form. So when we're done, we've got to convert from from polar back to rectangular. So, all right, here we go. And again, anytime you do this, you guys, always a good idea to just go ahead and sketch this real quick. There is no imaginary part to this, right? So that means this is out here, right? Therefore, my radius is 27. My theta is 0. Hopefully that makes things a little bit easier. So z sub 1 is equal to the cube root of 27 cosine 0 plus 360 times 0 all over 3 plus I sine 0, right? Or 3 cosine 0 plus I sine 0. Oh, and I did that. Those should be zeros, not thetas. Okay? So that one wasn't so bad. Z sub 2, well, yeah, let's just keep going. Equals the cube root of 27, which is 3, cosine 0 plus 360 times 1 over 3 plus I sine 360 over 3 cosine 360 divided by 3 is 120 plus I sine 120. We'll come back to rectangular form in a minute. Let's go one more z here. Z3 is equal to the cube root of 27, which is 3, cosine 0 plus 360 times 2 over 3 plus I sine 0 plus 720, right? 360 times 2 is 720 over 3. And let's finish this off. 3 cosine 720 divided by 3 is going to be 240 degrees plus I sine 240. All right, now I have 1, 2, 3, and I now have to convert those to rectangular form, right? Now, sometimes if you've got nice angles, you may already know what those are. But let's just go ahead and get some practice at this anyway. Z sub 1, in order to find A, right? A equals, let's put an arrow here. R, which is 3 cosine 0. B is equal to 3 sine 0. 3 times 1 and 3 times 0, 3 and 0. So therefore my first one, Z sub 1, is equal to 3 plus 0i. And I don't necessarily need to write the 0i. Z sub 2, A is equal to 3 cosine 120. 3 cosine of 120. You're looking at your unit circle is going to be negative 1/2. Or, let's give myself a little, come on, more space. Or 3/2. B is equal to 3 sine 120. which is 3 times root 3 over 2, or 3 root 3 over 2. Therefore, z sub 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 3 all over 2. That was an I there. Move that over so we got them all together. All right, and then for the last one, we've got z3. A is equal to 3 cosine 240. 3 cosine of 240 is -1/2, which is -3/2. And there should have been a negative in that one, shouldn't it? That should be a negative there. And then B is equal to 3 sine 240, which is equal to 3 times negative root 3 over 2, which gives you negative 3 root 3 over 2. Common denominators of 2. So z sub 3 is equal to -3 plus, actually we can say minus minus 3 root 3 all over 2. And you are done. Converted back to rectangular form. That one's going to take a little bit of work. All right.